So my Viking range finally needed to be replaced. I wanted to go induction. I searched around and I found, from what I can tell, a very new company, Induction Hardware. Doing a little bit of research, they were founded in Lake Tahoe and are based in Reno, Nevada. From what I can remember, a couple of the founders come from Z-Line. I purchased the 30-inch stainless steel induction range, and this is my first impressions. The unit is well constructed. It is heavy, not quite as heavy as my 20-year-old Viking range, but substantial and solid feeling. Opening up the front of the oven, the door swings down nicely and has one fully slide-out rack. The bottom is on a standard groove-style slide and the other on a cabinet-style full extension slide. On the top of the range, it's well finished and has a ceramic glass scratch-resistant surface. The knobs have a nice tactile feedback and light up when in use. The cooktop is controlled by these knobs. The oven is exclusively controlled by the touchscreen in the center. Now, taking a look at the touchscreen, the setting menu has the ability to connect to Wi-Fi, connect to Bluetooth meat thermometers. The Wi-Fi connection now seems to be currently exclusive for firmware and software updates. I did a port scan and attempted to connect to the device, and no web-based admin was found. Maybe Induction Hardware will bring app-level control to the range in the future. This I could see being useful to turn off the oven if left on accidentally. The oven has a bunch of presets. Some of the more interesting ones is the Pro Pizza mode, which Induction Hardware states can reach up to 660 degrees. The dehydration mode is another interesting option. It was also nice to see that the oven also included a plug-in thermometer probe, and it plugs in the top left here. Poking around the settings menu, I did notice that a software update was available. The updated processed quickly and revealed that the stove touchscreen is ran by the Android OS. I took 2 cups of water and added it to a pot. I set a timer to see how quickly the water came to a boil. I set the induction to P mode, and it did reach a boil in less than 90 seconds and a full rolling boil in 3 minutes. One of the things I like about the cooktop is the oversized 12-inch burner that is in the center. I plan to do a 6-month and year update of this range to see how it holds up. One thing I did want to add is how impressed I am with the customer service this far. The oven arrived from Nevada to my home in Southwest Florida in less than a week. Also, I happened to send Induction Hardware an email on Thanksgiving Day regarding registering for warranty. They responded the same day within 30 minutes on that holiday. I was surprised and really impressed. My final thoughts on my first impression is that it is an attractive kitchen appliance that really does execute on the goals of the company. By spending a bit more than something you may buy at a big box store, Induction Hardware is providing the quality of a range that would cost double or triple the MSRP.